Hello guys, it's really good to see that Apple is also flexing its muscles and they have released this MGIE, which is an open source AI model for instruction based image editing using multimodal large language models or MLLMs for natural language processing and pixel level manipulation. MGIE allows Photoshop style modifications and both global and local photo optimizations through expressive instruction derived edits. And there is more to it. If you go through their paper or simply look at this image, let me actually show you in the here. Now, if you look at this image, this explains it pretty nicely that what is happening. Now, instruction based image editing improves the controllability and flexibility of image manipulation via natural commands without elaborate descriptions or regional paths, as you can see in this example. Now, if you look at the left, it is saying that the cabin in the desert is surrounded by sand dunes and some vegetation such as cacti or small shrubs. Then, some of the it is being passed to this MLLMs with instruction and image, as you can see the summary here, and then you can see that from it is being passed to LM large language models head. From there, some adapters are in play on the input image, and instruction is also there. It has been diffused, and look at the model at the very right, which has the desert setting. Now, human instructions are sometimes too brief for current method to capture and follow. This is where multimodal large language models or MLLMs show promising capabilities in cross modal understanding and visual aware response generation via language models. That is where these researchers have investigated as how MLLMs facilitate edit instructions and present MLLM guided image editing or MGIE. Now, if you go through their paper, there are heaps of examples there, as I just mentioned. As you can see, MGIE learns to derive expressive instructions and provides explicit guidance. The editing model jointly captures this visual imagination and performs manipulation through end to end training. And then the evaluations of this model are also great because they have evaluated various aspects of Photoshop style modifications, global photo optimization, and local editing. And their extensive experimentation has also produced results that are expressive and crucial to instruction based image editing. And this MGIE can lead to a notable improvement in automatic metrics and human evaluation while maintaining competitive inference efficiency. I'll drop the link to this paper and this GitHub repo from Apple in video's description so that you can read further along. Now, let me give you a quick demo of this amazing model. And this is available on the Hugging Face, and you can readily access it from this repo. Now, all you need to do is to drop an image here, and then you can also give it an instruction. Now, once you do that, you just say submit and it is going to produce it. So, for example, let me upload my own image here. I'm just going to, I'll just go with one of my YouTube thumbnail, which I just did today. Okay, so this is my image, and I'll just say that make the background color, I'll say make it orange. Click on submit. Let's wait for it to come back. And if you encounter any issues or timeouts, simply click here and you can just use this similar Gradio demo. No, it successfully acquired a GPU, that is good. Let's see if it is able to give me the result. There you go. The background is this, but okay, so it has, because the other one was light, so it has covered it. Okay, cool. Let me try out some examples from here. Now, in this input example, it is saying that turn the day into night. Let's click here, go up. Is it doing anything? Okay, I need to submit it. Let's see if it is okay. GPU was available, that is good. There you go. Let's wait. Awesome, you can see that it has turned it into a light one. Okay, let's check out another example. So let's check this one out. Remove the people in background. So I selected this, and you can see the instruction is remove the people in background, and it has come up with expressive instruction for the model. Let's click on submit. Let's wait for this model to come back. Hopefully it was able to acquire. There you go. So the people are gone, but there is still a hint of that person, but better than before. That is cool. Okay, I just um, moved to the Gradio demo just to see if it works, and here I have just uploaded my own picture, and then the prompt is turn shirt color of this man into white. Let's see if it is able to do it. Let's click here. Let's wait for it to come back. Okay, so instead of turning the shirt's color back, it has just done the background white, so which is not good. Maybe what should I do? Maybe I'll just say, what was the previous one? There was also an example. It says that change the hair from red to blue. I'll just say change the hair from black to blonde. Let's see. Submit. Let's see if it is able to do that. The speed is quite good. The okay, the model's quality is not good enough, as you can see here. I mean, this is not what we expect from Apple. Now let's see the expressive instruction. It says if the hair in the image were to be changed from black tones to blonde, the man's appearance would be significantly altered. The change in hair color would draw more attention to the man, making him stand out more prominently against the black. Uh, Maybe that is why it is saying, but it is still not changing the hair color. So pretty interesting. So let's go with this one and see what is expressive here. Okay, it doesn't show any expressive. Maybe I don't see any option to clear it. Okay, maybe from here I need to select. Okay, let me select my image from here. I'll just say black to, okay, let's go with blue one, and then click on submit. Let's see if this time it works. Let's wait for it to finish. Okay, this time it has worked, but the blue color, but the face, it has just deformed the face, I guess. How about blonde? Can it do the blonde without, and keep the face intact, face and other things, or let's not confuse it. Let's see if it is able to do it or not. Let's wait for it to come back. No, for some weird reason it doesn't work with blonde. Okay, that is crazy. And what a, okay, anyway, so I'm not sure what's the go with the blonde. Is there something I'm missing with blue or blonde? Anyways, maybe let's say call it red. Okay, so the red color works pretty scary, I should say, and you can see that the render is not that good. It is just looks very artificial. Anyway, so that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. There are various other examples around make the face happy and then add more contrast and all that stuff, so you can play around with it. So this is the one. So if I just click on it, so it is going to make it happy. I'm not sure if they have altered any more thing, but anyway, That's it. Let me know your thoughts on this model. I'm not really impressed by it. I think there are way more better models at the moment. Maybe this would be great last year, but I think as now we stand at that juncture in artificial intelligence where things have improved a lot. Please share your comments in the space below the video, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, please do me a favor and share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.